Welcome to TechSphere, your go-to source for the latest in tech innovation. Today, we're exploring a topic that could change everything we know about computing and technology: quantum computing, specifically Google's work in this field. Quantum computing has the potential to solve problems that are far beyond the reach of today's most powerful supercomputers. But how does it work, and why is Google's approach such a game changer? Let's dive into the fascinating world of quantum computing and see how Google's advancements could transform everything from medicine to artificial intelligence. First, let's break down what quantum computing actually is. Unlike traditional computers that use bits to process information in a binary format of ones and zeros, quantum computers use something called qubits. Qubits can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to a property called superposition. In simple terms, while a classical computer processes one calculation at a time, a quantum computer can process many calculations simultaneously. Another important concept in quantum computing is entanglement. This is when qubits become linked in such a way that the state of one qubit directly affects the state of another, regardless of the distance between them. This allows quantum computers to perform incredibly complex operations efficiently, far beyond what classical computers can achieve. Together, these properties, superposition and entanglement, are what make quantum computing so powerful and revolutionary. Google's focus on quantum computing isn't just theoretical. They've already achieved what's known as quantum supremacy, which means they've built a quantum computer that can solve problems faster than the most advanced supercomputers. But how does this breakthrough translate into real-world applications? In 2019, Google made headlines when it announced it had achieved quantum supremacy. This milestone was reached with Google's quantum computer called Sycamore. Sycamore completed a calculation in just 200 seconds, a calculation that would have taken the most powerful classical supercomputer approximately 10,000 years to finish. This achievement marked the first time a quantum computer had outperformed a classical computer on a specific task. However, it's important to note that this calculation wasn't something that had practical applications. It was more of a proof of concept to demonstrate the potential of quantum computing. Still, this achievement was a big deal because it showed that quantum computers could perform tasks beyond the reach of classical systems. Since then, Google has been working to make quantum computing more practical and scalable. They're developing more stable qubits and exploring ways to reduce errors, which is one of the biggest challenges in quantum computing. Google's goal is to make quantum computers capable of solving real-world problems, which could transform multiple industries and redefine what's possible in computing. So what can quantum computing actually do? The potential applications are mind-blowing. One of the most promising fields is medicine. Quantum computers could analyze complex molecular structures and simulate drug interactions at speeds unimaginable for classical computers. This could significantly speed up drug discovery, allowing scientists to develop new treatments for diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and many other conditions faster and more efficiently. Another area where quantum computing could have a massive impact is in artificial intelligence. Training AI models requires processing vast amounts of data, a task that classical computers struggle with as models grow in complexity. Quantum computers, however, could process this data much faster, allowing for more advanced AI systems that can learn and make decisions in real time. This could lead to breakthroughs in everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine, and even real-time language translation. Quantum computing also has huge implications for cryptography and cybersecurity. Many of today's encryption methods are based on problems that are too complex for classical computers to solve. However, quantum computers could potentially break these codes in seconds, which could be both a challenge and an opportunity for security experts. This has led to the development of quantum-resistant encryption to protect data in a world where quantum computing becomes mainstream. While the potential is immense, quantum computing still faces significant challenges. One of the biggest issues is stability. Qubits are incredibly sensitive to their environment. Even the slightest interference, like a change in temperature or electromagnetic noise, can cause errors in calculations. This is why many quantum computers, like Google's Sycamore, operate at temperatures close to absolute zero. Creating stable qubits and reducing error rates is essential for quantum computing to become practical. Another challenge is scalability. Right now, quantum computers are relatively small, with only a few dozen to a few hundred qubits. To solve real-world problems, we'll need quantum computers with thousands or even millions of stable qubits. Google and other tech companies are working on ways to scale up quantum computers, but it's a long and complex process that will take years, if not decades, to achieve. Finally, there's the issue of accessibility. Quantum computers are incredibly expensive to build and maintain, which means they're currently limited to large tech companies and research institutions. However, companies like Google are working on making quantum computing more accessible through cloud-based platforms. This could allow businesses, researchers, and even individuals to harness the power of quantum computing without owning a quantum computer themselves. So, what does the future hold for Google's quantum computing efforts? Google's long-term goal is to develop a quantum advantage where quantum computers can solve a wide range of practical problems that classical computers simply can't handle. They're investing heavily in research to create more stable qubits, reduce errors, and make quantum computing more scalable. Google is also exploring partnerships with other companies and research institutions to accelerate the development of quantum applications. By working with experts in fields like chemistry, physics, and machine learning, Google aims to push quantum computing closer to real-world applications that could revolutionize industries. Within the next decade, we might see the first practical uses of quantum computing in fields like pharmaceuticals, financial modeling, and climate science. As the technology matures, quantum computing could eventually become a part of our everyday lives, helping to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Quantum computing is one of the most exciting and transformative technologies on the horizon, and Google is leading the charge in making it a reality. With the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, quantum computing could change the way we think about computing forever. But with challenges like stability, scalability, and accessibility, there's still a long way to go. What do you think about the future of quantum computing? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching TechSphere, and we'll see you in the next video.